Good afternoon, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, analyzing the market from the land of the rising sun. Today is the 14th day of March 2026. Okay. Time again. Yeah. So last week I couldn't bring you weekly analysis. My apologies for those who wanted to watch my analysis. Okay, before I continue, if today is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, subscribe. For those who have been watching my video on a weekly basis, please stop being stingy. I didn't ask you to give me money. All I ask is for you to like my video and share it so that I will get more more views. Okay, somebody was complaining that I didn't label all my charts. Yes, I do the much I can do for free, but I do everything for those on my VIP, so students channel. And secondly, if I have, if I get 500 to 1,000 views in a week, I'll put more effort. But so guy doesn't encourage me. Simply give me a thumbs up or make a comment. You will not. But you want more values. Okay, so that's by the way. I am also into mentorship. If you like the way I analyze and trade, and you want to learn from me, my phone number is on the bio of this video. The phone number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. You contact me and I'll add you to my VIP, so student groups. Okay, so let's continue. Today is DSY. There is a change towards the end of last week. Today I will show you daily time frame and 4 hours. Okay, so uh I was looking at this to be a correction. That is a kind of A, B, C, and it will go down. Rather, it's said to be an impulse. So right now, correction is over as long as DSY is concerned. If you have not entered the buy, because there was a buy opportunity around here, if you didn't enter the buy from here, look for another pullback or correction. Then you have to, before you enter. So selling is over. It's now time to buy. Okay. Remember, is a my own way of trading. I'm telling you, not what you must do. Okay. And remember, trading involves risk. Any amount you put, you can lose them. So always trade with a stop loss. Okay. Don't risk so much. Slow and steady wins the race. If you have the knowledge, you don't need to make all the money in a week or in a day. Just by take it gradually, and you will be growing. Forex is not a uh, get rich quick scheme. Even cryptos, yeah, crypto can give you rich money if you are lucky and invest in a new token, and the token later become something meaningful. But the problem is that those tokens is one out of 100,000 that make it big. So it's never advisable. So look for buy on DXY. Okay. So this is an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you buy. The buying continues from there. That's example again. Yes. Good afternoon. Eat. I'm a Okay, so let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you buy to continue the buying. No more time to sell. USD card. USD card is not totally out of selling, but the point is that DSY cannot be buying while USD card will be selling. The worst thing that will happen is that USD card can still give us a new low. And for that to happen, DSY will make a very deep correction. Okay, I don't know how to explain it further, but the best thing to do is to look for buy. That's the thing. Okay, but something like this cannot be ruled out. Something like this cannot be ruled out. It's still possible, though I don't expect it. Okay, so that's for DSY. Sorry, USD card. USD chef. USD chef is like it is making a leading diagonal, just like USD card. They are yet to break the last swing high. Okay, but because they follow DSY, I don't expect it to give me a new low. What I'm expecting to see is that I will see a leading diagonal, then a correction, then a buy. So I'm looking for buy when I get a correction. It may not be as deep as this, but if the market is making this move, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we may get a deeper correction. But if it is 1, 2, 1, 2, that is 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get a shallow correction, then complete the 5 before we get a deeper correction. So I don't know how else to explain to you. If you need the knowledge, you join the class. USD, as we all know, although or as I always teach you, USD is always opposite of DSY. So as DSY has started to buy, USD has started to sell, and it ended with a ending diagonal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 might not have ended. So the next thing is we look for it to correct. Then it will begin to sell again. Okay, this is 4 hours, and it's clear at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you watch out for correction. The correction can be deep because it has given us 5 waves. So we may get something very deep before the selling continues. Or if we get a shallow correction, then expect it to do this and still give us a deep correction. So I suggest you wait for it to sell again. Then if you have to buy, don't be greedy. Use a small margin, okay, because you're trading against the trend. The trend has changed. Pounds USD, the same situation. We are now looking at wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this very channel may serve as the resistance. So this wave 3 might end here and the selling continues. Okay, that's for pounds USD. AUD USD is equally selling. They have this move is clear sign that all the market is selling. Okay, so you can see what we are expecting to see. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. The wave 4 may be here, maybe here. I don't know, but when it begins to unfold, we will know how to predict where it will end. But for now, it's too early because wave 3 can still be dropping. These are the, excuse me. These are the USD, Kiwi. The same. All of them are pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wave 5 might have ended, or it will still drop. Then after this wave 5, we will likely have a deeper move because this is 5 waves. Okay, so that's all. Another one, USDJPY. Yen pays is still buying, and okay, let me go to daily. I'm looking for. I don't like how yen pays is the structure and swing they are making, but it's part of the trade. As I used to say, if you don't like what the market is doing, you focus on others. So I have traded USDJPY for a long time. Okay, maybe this time around I may look for buy, but if I see a clear sign of selling on 1 hour time frame, I may sell. Okay, so I will show you anything further because if you zoom out on this, you'll be expecting it to drop somewhere here before buying, but it seems it don't want to drop. Though it can still drop. Let me tell you what I mean that it can still drop. This can be with W, then with X. It can even go above this place. That's what we call expanding flat. Then it will drop. If it didn't go below the initial low, it becomes running flat. If it does this, it becomes expanding flat. So that this high is broken doesn't mean that the correction is over. I'm telling you what is happening in the market. So because of that, JPY, JPY is somewhat easier to trade than USD So at least look for it is selling already. Any move up is an opportunity to sell, and target will be this lower trend line. So you look for a pullback. You can see even this channel has been broken. Okay, all these things is what we used to analyze the market technically. So selling is good on Euro JPY. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY is equally giving us a reason to sell. Let's see daily. So daily, at least we're gonna see an ABC. The ABC, at least we end somewhere here. 205, 200, 203, 200. That's where it will terminate. But if it will give us a big correction, then expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, B, then it will drop again before it will buy. So don't think that it must end here. No, that's what I'm not saying. So we explore all the options available. Gold, gold, gold. Let me go to 4 hours direct. Gold. I have been saying it that I don't like seeing this as the whole correction. I've been saying it that I don't like seeing this as the whole correction, though it is possible. Now, it is obvious that this is not the whole correction, though we may get what we call running flat. So this is wave A, this is wave B. The wave C might not go deeper. It might end somewhere here to give us a running flat, or what we call contracting flat anyway. Then we go, or it will make a triangle. It will make a triangle. Then if that happens, it means that gold will take 2, 3, 4 months, making wave B and wave C. Okay, so this very move can still be part of wave. Let me show you what I mean. This can be A, B, C, D, E, and it will be wave B of C. Then C will go down. So it can happen just because of, but right now Sell gold and make your profit. That's what's important now. Sell silver and make your profit. Nothing to explain on silver. Silver and gold are giving us reason to sell. Okay. So silver can go as low as 60, 63 to 60, or even 56. But at least right now, we are looking for it to drop to below around 70. Okay, so at least sell silver and make your profit. Let's not worry about whether it will make a triangle or not. Platinum. Sell platinum and make your profit. Nothing to explain, nothing to worry about. It is selling already. It has broken this channel. Give us an ABC. So what again do you want it to tell you? Then it will keep dropping. Either it will drop here and go up, or it will do this and give a double correction. Okay. What again? Oil. I don't want to trade oil right now. I don't want to trade oil right now. Okay. Reason is that the truth, if you are following the trend, oil is weak in movement. This is a clear, for long, I have been avoiding oil for long because I see oil as the market that is correcting. Then, because of war, it went up, and within the next day, it dropped. It's a kind of a shameful move. 120 to then it dropped to 80 again. So in this type of situation, I like to see a structure that will make me to buy or sell. So right now, if you want to trade oil, then these 4 hours, maybe if we get a correction, a meaningful one that will end around here, then you now buy oil. But as you buy, be careful because this type of move can happen again. There's no guarantee that oil will to drop again. So showing you 1 hour is to add an extra layer. So if oil break this line, if oil can make this move, do this, do this, do this, do this, then that's the time it will be good to buy. Then you can now buy. Right now, buying now or selling now is too risky. I'm not gonna do it, and I'm not gonna advise you to do that. US 100, sell US 100 and make your profit. It has been going up for a long time. It's now time to drop. But the question is, will the drop be will it be a huge drop or a just little drop? Will it be shallow or it will be huge? I don't know, but oil US 100 is dropping. That's all. Maybe somewhere to 3,000 or 24,000. Sorry, somewhere 23,000 zone. That's where it is heading. Okay. US 100, US 30. The same thing. Sell US 30 and make a profit. Nothing to explain, nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Having broken this channel, it has been going up for a long time. So at least for 3K, 42K, we're gonna see that. Dow, sell Dow and make a profit. Maybe if I had made analysis last week, I would have seen I would have seen this broken channel and tell you to say, but I didn't make it. I couldn't analyze. So it's still selling and make a profit. SP 500, sell SP 500 and make a profit. there was no much confusion and fear in the market. So sell and make a profit. Okay, I'm going to cryptos. This one again, DAX, sell DAX and make a profit. Let's see 4 hours on DAX. So I deliberately labeled this. Sometimes I tell my fellow Elliott Wave traders that I label and analyze what I see, not what written in the book. In the book, we read, this is impossible. This is expanding triangle as wave 2. So traders will see it, they will look for something else to label it. But me, no. What I see is expanding triangle, and that's what I label. Okay? The author of Elliott Wave wrote the book about 70 years ago. Things have changed. Things are changing. So I have seen triangle as wave 2 many times, and I label it as such. Well, it is my chart. It is my decision. If you don't agree with me, continue with your own. But this is expanded triangle, A, B, C, D, E, nothing more. What else will I call this? Okay, so A, B, C, look for wave B, then sell wave C on DAX. Okay, I think I go to Bitcoin and his younger brothers. Cryptos. This week, I made a loss trading Bitcoin. Anyway, trading, sometimes you lose, sometimes you gain. But you have to gain more if you know what you're doing. So I traded Bitcoin, putting my stop loss this place. I sold it around here. So okay, I sold. I have forgotten, but I sold around here or thereabouts. So it went up. Then again, I was expecting that it will give us the bigger correction. Yet again, it rejected this top. So right now, I have a doubt if Bitcoin will go up again. I doubt it will happen. It's still possible, but I doubt if it will happen. Because all I'm seeing that Bitcoin will drop. Bitcoin will drop. I keep saying it on our WhatsApp group and our Telegram group that Bitcoin will drop. And that dropping, many would like it, but it will drop. So Bitcoin, I'm looking for Bitcoin to drop towards 58, 56, even 54. Possibly it can go to 52 or even 50. In any case, Bitcoin is dropping lower than this zone. Any amount below 60K can be okay on Bitcoin. So whether it went up this place before it drop or it will keep dropping from here, Bitcoin is going below 60. Okay, that's all I can tell you about the Bitcoin. Anything? Do you need to see daily? Any reason for that? No reason. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, the same situation. Ethereum, I was looking for it to give me this bigger correction. It then couldn't break this high. So, and it's now dropping. So what am I expecting to see on Ethereum? Simple correction, then selling continues. I don't expect this to happen again. It's possible, but I don't expect it to happen. Okay, so if I will sell Ethereum, my stop will be here. So, but if you are too afraid, let the stop loss be above this, but it will be too high. It's better that you lose little money 2 or 3 times. Then one trade will cover it than that you lose a big money. It will be so painful and you will look stupid by doing that. Litecoin. Litecoin, within the week, I saw this triangle forming. Okay, right now, this triangle may not uh, hold again. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Though it may still be a triangle, but if Bitcoin and Ethereum will be dropping, this will no longer be a triangle. It will break it and drop. By that time, I will change this labeling. So, but now I don't have the time to do that. BNB, when I call Bitcoin the chief of all coins and his younger brothers, I know what I'm saying. Bitcoin truncated and all the coins truncated. BNB, I'm also looking for it to give me this higher move, but it couldn't. Right now, any move higher will be a time to sell. Nothing to explain, nothing to waste time explaining. SRP, very weak. It couldn't even move where Bitcoin was moving. So right now, what am I expecting is selling and nothing more. Selling and nothing more. Though how far will it sell, I don't know. I don't know. I think I have tried for today. SHIB, Dogecoin, all of them are selling. CRO, all of them are selling. Unicoin again. PCH, all of them are selling. CHZ, all are selling. So that's the end of the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Join my Telegram channel. It's free. The links are at the bottom of the video. Two of them. One is for interaction. One of the channels you will have the opportunity to post your chat, but don't advert. Don't spam the group. You can ask questions. You interact with others. The other one is only me can post. So join two of them. Then if you want to learn from me, you will see my phone number at the bio. Chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you and God bless you.